to do a quick review for this Northeast Harbor SUV tent. Thing is freaking pretty awesome actually. Last night was our first time using it, and it only took us about 20 minutes roughly to set it up with two of us. We are experienced with tents. So it just has two poles going from each side from the door, and then one across the top. So 3 poles really. And then straps to attach it to the roof rack, and straps to attach it to the wheel. But last night it rained. You can see all the drops. And we had condensation on the inside. A little dirt from the dogs, but a little condensation, not as much as I thought. We sleep in the back of the SUV, back of the 4Runner. Keep the dogs down here, and it makes camping way better. Loading, unloading, setting up, perfect. We got our, she approves. We got our site up there. All right, let's get it. And it's really nice because it folds up right there underneath the tailgate or underneath the vehicle. And then you could close it, and it has zippers, so you could have just the screen part, or you could close it off completely and have another wall. If you wanted to drive away, lining it back up probably wouldn't be too hard, but all right, that's our first thoughts on the tent. We'll keep you updated. Day number 2, we're loving the tent. As you can see, we had to park on the road, and we're using the tent as a standalone tent. I anchored the ropes up to open the back up, give it full ventilation. So 3 stakes or 3 poles to put it together. It's really easy. 2 doors on both sides going straight through. A window on this side. Okay, so last night with the rain, we didn't have the rain cover on, the blue piece. In the reviews it says this piece that connects the SUV is a little thinner than the rest. So it did leak a little bit, but not that bad. There was a puddle, and then down here that goes underneath, that's where it collected the water. So that's not too bad, it's all on the outside. And then just to be safe, we put the rain cover on it tonight, and then we'll close that window off completely. And it's nice because it covers this window, but still gives ventilation. And then we could anchor this rope up if needed. So, second use of it, day number 2, and we all love it so far. I'll give it 4.7 stars. 4.75. All right, we're out. And the view from the tent, pretty amazing. All right.